Sainsbury's. We found these seeds. We found Shopkins. And I thought they weren't out yet in Scotland, but they are. And we are going to be opening them. Yeah, so let's get started. Yay! So, open. Are you going to open up this one? So, try and open up there. Up here. Try. Push. Push. I'll help. Can I help you? Ooh, and you got a little ball. Let's see. And I'll look and see if we can find it. Do you want to open up that one? Do you want to open up that one as I do it? It looks like it's in the sport and it's Betsy Baseball and it's a Pekin Shopkin. And it's also a rare. So, do you want to help with the second one? How about me? Here you go. You got, let's see. What's it in here? The bakery? This is not in the bakery. That's ice cream. This is ice cream cake. No, ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. So they were very good for open Shopkins. So now we're going to do our game Shopkins. Now it's my turn and time to open them up. So what's in your blue one? Oh, it looks like you got Snarky. He is in the sports club. Let me see what he is. Snorky is a common and he is
I think I got water can.
Well, it's Snorky. He's a Pitkin and he is a common. And that is Walter Watering Can. And that's a common as well. Ooh, they're so cool.
And backpacks.
Now it's my turn. I got Brittany Brownie. Oh, and let's see what Brittany Brownie's in. Brittany Brownie is in the bakery. It's common and it's a Pitkin. Now let's go on this one. Then Papax. I got Polly Teapots.
I got glow in the
And
dark.
she is a Pitkin and she's common. Hey guys, here we have Betsy Baseball, Ice Cream Cake, Walter Watering Can, Snorky, Polly Teapot and Brittany Brownie. Thanks for joining us guys and hope to see you again. Bye.
Bye.